In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can use Western Union Money Transfer to send money to Mexico. So you can do this from the website or you can download the mobile app. So to get started, you need to complete your personal information and hit register, right? I already have an account, so let's sign in. I'm going to be logging in with my biometrics. Once you have successfully logged into the app, select send. From the drop down here at the top, select your country that you want to send money to. So we're going to select Mexico and select continue. Here is how much money you will be sending, and here it shows how much money the recipient will receive. In this section, when you expand it, you have the option to select your payment method, and here you can do a cash pickup or bank account deposit. Now if you're sending from the United States, you'll also see the option to send to a debit card. That option is the fastest option available. The money will be delivered to the recipient's bank account that is associated with the card. So here I'm going to select save, then select continue. This is just some information on how to protect yourself from fraud. Read it and then select accept. On this page, you're going to add the receiver information. Once you complete the receiver information, you're going to select continue. So on this page, you'll be selecting your payment method. I already have my card and file, so I'm going to select it and then select continue. Review the transaction and then hit send. So that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.